Today I'm going to be showing you how to hook up a network printer. The printer we are going to be using is a Brother HL6050DN. First we have to go in the top left corner and look for our System Preferences option. Once we get there, click on the System Preferences and then the screen will open up. Once you see the menu, click Print and Scan. From there, we're going to go to the plus sign. That is where you can add a printer. Next, we go to the IP option. We're going to type in the IP address. We have received this address from the technology coordinator. From there, we're going to go to the name option. We highlight it and you can put any name you want to. I'm going to name mine Office Printer because the printer is located in my office. Here we have to find the driver for the printer. It wasn't automatically found, so we got to go in the computer and search for it. So in our files, we're going to look at the hard drive and we're going to pick the library folder. From there, we're going to find the folder that is labeled printers. In the printers, we're going to find the PPDs, folders, and then contents, and then resources. Once you open that, you're going to see all kind of different drivers for different printers that's available for you. We're going to search down and continue searching until we find the Brother HL6050DN. And once you find it, you can actually click on it and right click it and it will say quick look. And from there, you're going to be able to tell if you've got the right printer driver. And we do, so we're going to select that and we're going to hit open. Once we do that, you can see everything set up. All you have to do is add the printer. It is setting up the Office printer now, and now we have the new Office printer or network printer added onto your computer. Now we have to make sure we have the correct IP address on the printer. We're going to go through the menu options. We're going to search for network. Once we see it, we're going to hit enter. Now we're going to go to the TCP/IP options, and then we're going to search for IP address. Once we find the IP address, you're going to hit enter. Your left and right keys are able to go up and down to let you know what static IP address that you need to put into the printer itself. So today we're going to be putting 10.20.1.2 onto the printer. That is the static IP address that we have received from our technology coordinator. If you don't have a static IP address, the printer will work for the first few weeks. However, if you ever have power outages, the IP address will float and it will change on you. So you need to make sure you have a static IP address when working with a network printer. All right, next we're going to see how we can print a document. We're going to go to the document on our desktop, open it up. It's a Word document. We're going to go to File in the top left-hand corner, click on it, and we are going to go down to where you see the print option. Once you see that, you can go down, click on it. We want to make sure that we've got the right printer. You can click on the down and up arrows. You can go through all your printers that you have. Today we're going to use the Office printer because that's the one we just connected to the network. Once you see you have all your options and everything looks good, you can decide how many copies you want to print and hit print. All right, finally, we're going to learn how to make our network printer our default printer so that every time we use it, it will be the network printer that we want to use. All right, you're going to go back up to the top left-hand corner and hit System Preferences once again and go to Print and Scan. Once we've opened the Print and Scan menu, you can go to Default Printer down at the bottom. Right now it's on Last Printer Used. I'm scrolling through all the printers that I have on the left-hand side here, but you've got a down and up arrow right here, and you can click on it and you can go down to the printer that we want to use. Today we want to use the Office printer. Now that it is the default printer, you can lock your options, and each time you can hit Command P now. Instead of going through the options with file and print, you can just hit Command P and it will print to your default printer.